Hi, I'm Penny from SmartFinancial. Let's learn about commercial auto insurance and how it works. Commercial auto insurance covers vehicles used for business purposes, such as delivering inventory, traveling to project sites, or selling from the vehicle itself. Liability coverage is the minimum requirement for a commercial auto policy, covering your business if the driver was responsible for third-party property damages or injuries. If you're financing or leasing a company car, you may also need physical damage insurance, which includes collision and comprehensive coverage. Collision insurance covers your own repair bills in a car accident, while comprehensive insurance covers damages from fire, hail, theft, vandalism, and more. Additional coverage options are also available, like cargo insurance if you're transporting goods, or for hire livery insurance if your business has a taxi service. Remember, if you drive a car for both personal and commercial use, your personal auto policy will not cover you during business-related drives. For example, personal auto insurance will not kick in when a contractor is transporting equipment to a project site. Without commercial auto insurance, the contractor will have zero coverage during this drive and would have to pay for any losses out of pocket. Don't hit the roads without commercial auto coverage. Let SmartFinancial help you find the right policy for your business. Click the link below for a free commercial insurance quote.